What's up guys, due to very popular demand, I'm going to be doing a quarantine self-haircut tutorial. And when I say popular demand, I mean all 3 people on Instagram who commented. All you're going to need is a good pair of scissors and a good trimmer or clipper, whatever you call it, as long as it has a incremental setting, and mine goes by 0.5 millimeters. And you're also going to need a second mirror to see just how badly you're going to destroy your hair. You could either hold it or hang it somewhere. It's probably easier to attach it to a wall, which is why I decided to drill mine to my wall. I'm gonna start with the sides, and I'm doing a skin fade haircut. Normally, barbers who, unlike me, actually know what they're doing, they'll do the skin part first and kind of fade it upwards. But for the rest of us, that just means more opportunities to screw things up. You could really screw it up. You'll screw it up. So I start from the top and gradually fade it down all the way to the bottom. Alright, what I usually do and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to start with 5 millimeters, going down to 4.5, 4, 3.5, 3, all the way down to the skin part. Obviously, you can do this whatever way you want, down to the lowest point that you want to get to. And hopefully after doing this haircut, that's not going to be your lowest point, although no promises. When you're shaving the side, you have to do it in an outwards motion. So you go, you start from here and kind of shave it out, up and out. Don't go along your skull, because that's not gonna make the fade work. Obviously, the hardest part is the back of the head. But I promise, it's not that hard. What I do is, I use my finger as a reference level. So for each level here, I just trace it all the way back with my finger. And then I shave the whole area underneath that part. And then I repeat that for every subsequent level. So for example, level 5 here, trace it all the way back, shave the entire area underneath. Then I want to do 4 millimeters, you do the same thing. You lower your finger and you move your finger to the back of your hand and use your finger as the new reference point. You keep repeating that, level 3, a little lower, 2, 1, 0, and so forth. And then you're going to have a nice fade at the back. It's not perfect, but if you shave it well and you shave it homogeneously, wait, who says that? Evenly, then the results should be good. And in case you had no idea what I just said, I'll be demonstrating it on my own hair to prove to you that it actually works. Like I said, whenever you do the movements, you do it up and out. That way the fade looks more smooth and not choppy. Alright, I'm halfway through, I'm at level 2.5 now, and I'm gonna go all the way down to 1. As you can tell from the video, when I'm doing the back of my head, I'm actually doing it blindly. I'm not using the mirror while shaving the back of my head, but rather I'm using my finger as a reference point and then shaving the area underneath it. And the reason is that it's just way too hard to do it with a mirror. It's difficult, it's awkward, and you're gonna get confused with the directions in left and right, and then you're gonna blame me for it. So just do it blindly, trust me, it's much easier. And now going to level 1. This is the trickiest part because if you screw this up, that's it, you cannot undo it. For this next part, for your forehead and the edge of your beard and behind your ear, you're gonna need the thing that sticks out like this. I don't know if you can see it, I don't know what they call it, but it's not absolutely necessary, but it's quite helpful. Alright, and now the final part is fixing the top, and this depends on how long you want it. I like to keep it long, so it's easier for me to do it with scissors. just stepped out of the shower. And now's the moment of truth. Cue the suspense music. Alright, there you have it, gentlemen, the quarantine self-haircut. It really isn't that hard. This took around 45 minutes. Obviously, it's not perfect, but that's what we gotta do when we're in lockdown. The first time might be a little messy, but with your second time, you're gonna be a pro. So stay safe and happy trimming.